Hey, what's going on? So I'm going to share with you today in this video how to copy and paste ads for beginners and earn $100 per day on ClickBank. So if you got a ClickBank account, I'm going to show you a brand new method that you can use, and is absolutely free. This doesn't require you to spend money on any traffic, so you don't need any money for traffic, but it's going to be free. So all you have to do is just set it up and you're going to be starting generating an income. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Drop down in the comments if this is your first time. And I don't want you to try to skip ahead of this video because I'm going to share with you some tips and some small little tweaks and tricks that you can implement can even double your sale as well. So keep watching all the way to the end and don't try to skip out on this video. So without further ado, let's jump into the video right now. So as mentioned, there's going to be a few tools that you're going to be needing. One of them right here is called Bitly. So this is bitly.com. It is absolutely free. So all you have to do is just sign up for it. And when you sign up for it, you can now create what we call short links. So instead of you going out there and buy domain names, because domain names can range you anywhere from $9 to I would say 20, 25, even 35. Domains are really, it can be up to $1,000. It depends on what domain you want to use. So if you just want to create something for yourself, go ahead and do that, not a problem. But for those of you who have absolutely no money and you're looking for a way to make a little bit of money for free, you want to sign up for this. As I said, it's free. When you're going to create your affiliate link, I'll share with you more details when we get to that. So we're going to jump over to ClickBank. And as I said, ClickBank is a place that you can sign up. There's a few countries that are restricted, but that is not a if that is not an option for you, you can always find other alternatives. So the same concept that I'm going to teach you now can be applied with any niche. It doesn't matter what business, you can still make money. So you can still copy and paste ads and start generating an income using this method that I want to share with you. So if you scroll through here, there's a lot of different products. Right now, I'm on arts and entertainment, but that's not what I wanted to focus on. I want to focus on something that is evergreen, that people are buying, especially being home. Not a lot of people are going out right now shooting this video. So people are looking and they're taking care of their health. So health is one of the biggest things right now that people are really looking into. And these are some of the products that you can promote. Now you could come through here, you can watch the videos. And again, if it's something that is a good fit for you, then promote it. If you would buy it, go for it. And if you want to go check out the reviews as well, do that also. But you make sure that anything that you promote, it's something that it has to come down to your integrity and everything. Now for this particular video, right? And I'm not affiliated with this company. I'm just making it just for you because you're watching it right now. I'm gonna go with this particular. It's called Fat Flusher Diet, the King Kong of offers. And if you want to, click on it and look at it, not a problem. So you're gonna make an average sale of $100 per sale. So one sale a day is equal to $100 per day on ClickBank. So copy and paste ads, make $100 a day. You can do that. So that's why I said you can make $100 a day because you want to find something that's going to give you 100. You don't want to go for the 43. Yes, you can. You can get 2 or 3 sales and you're into 100. But one sale, that's all you need, and you reach your goal. So if you look at it, we can look at the affiliate page. So you always want to look at the affiliate page. Cold traffic media, please go to this page instead. So if you're going to go with cold traffic, you want to click here. So when you click on this cold traffic, over here you could see how everything works, right? So when using Facebook ads, please do not use weight loss and all that stuff. Now we're not going to use Facebook. I'm going to use a different method. So we're not using Facebook. We're not using Bing. I'm going to share with you how we can do this on Google. And it's a really cool hack and a cool trick that you can use. So click here to get some swipes. You can look at the swipes down here. You can read. You can see what their image look like. You can read some of these headlines because this is what they send to, if you opt in to their email list, they'll just send that to you if you haven't purchased. It's just a follow-up. So they give you pictures, they give you image. These are things that you can copy and you can send it out to your subscribers. So you can also use some of these as headlines that are attractive. Now, this product is called Fat Flusher Diet. So what we can do, we can head on over to Google and we can type in Fat Flusher Diet. And now we're going to find really good headlines. So something that is catchy, always try to look for the things that say ad. So I will look at these things and I said, okay, that's good. Flat flushers, all these are in the top section. So I would use some of these as headlines to then put for my advertisement. And remember, I told you, this is going to be free, so you're not going to pay for anything. So don't jump ahead here. Stay with me. Keep watching. If you've gotten this far already and you've gotten some value, please consider liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I create videos all the time. So if you enjoy a video like this, make sure you smash that bell notification. So every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. Back into the video. So now we identify what we're going to promote. We know what it's like. We look through it and we said, all right, upsells, you get 180. Second upsell, you get 99 for a bottle. So there's a few different upsells that gone through. So it's a pretty good funnel and pretty decent funnel that you can look at. Now, since we're going to be promoting that particular product, right, what we're going to be doing right now, we're going to grab the affiliate link because it's $100 and you get a sale. So we're going to go back here and we're going to go with the health. All right. So as I said, it's going to be $100. $100, you get a sale. So we copy this link, copy the link. So we're going to be using the raw link for this one. We're not going to use in a capture page or anything. So this is a way where you can spend no money and make money. Head on over here, and then we're going to create a link. So we'll click on the link, paste it right here. Once you put it in, you can name it if you want. You can put Flat Flusher Diet. Put tests. That way I know this one is test. And then I would copy this link, and you could save it if you want. Now, what we're going to be doing, since we created, we're going to be pasting that link over here on Google. Now, this is the hack that I was telling you about that I'm going to share with you, that you can dominate this and you can make at least $100 a day just copy and paste ads. So now we identify what we're looking for. Now we need to go to Google Alerts. So you can go to Google, you can type in Google Alerts, and once you type it in, you could just come up and this will pop up. So you can create an alert about anything. So if you want to type in health blogs, what we're trying to do is we can create an alert. So every time this particular, we can do it once a day, as it happens, once per week in English, any region you want to target, US, not a problem. If you want to do that, that's totally okay. So health blogs. So when I type in health blogs, now we're going to find blogs that have comment section. So you have to take your time and go through this, see which blogs have comment section. So, you know, you could just click through one. So let me just click on this one, see if this one has a comment section. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you can see if there's a comment section. Oh, sweet. So here's a comment section, and it's going to straight to Facebook. Now, here's the thing. You don't want to just copy and paste your link and copy and paste that stuff without proper going through this. You could skim through this and you could look at the headline, focus on mental health as you return to work. So you could skim through it. You might be worried about roll plan from by employer, be patient, uh, all that stuff. Now, if you want to be creative, and which you should do, if you are not as creative, you can go to Google and you can search about mental health. So when you search about mental health, right, how, what are some of the exercises that I could use to avoid mental health stress? And now you're going to type in here, let me see, not allowed. You're going to be, well, if I click allowed, it's going to be tracking all my activity and everything on Facebook. This is where you're going to type in, right, because they have pixel on here. So you're going to type in the comment section. You can also add a little bit of this. So you, for example, you could say, hey, you could check out this Fat Flusher diet. They have a huge 50% off. And this is something that you can use to help you with mental, mental health. But give a little review first before, if you're interested, check out this link. And then you paste your link. Then you come here, you copy this link. After you write at least 2 or 3 paragraphs, then you could paste your link right there. So what people are going to be doing, people who read these things, because this just came out, this is going to be shared all over the place. If you look at it, this has a lot of fans. There's over 1,100 fans. There's people on Instagram. There's people on Twitter, right? So you can go over to this page, you can go to that page, and all you have to do is just post. Don't spam your links all over the place, because when you just spam them and add no value to people, then that's what's going to happen. So you give a little bit of information and said, hey, if you want to learn more about this, right, this particular product that helped me during, help me lose some weight. So even though they're talking about mental health, it doesn't matter, because people are always trying to find a way to lose weight. So I know some of you will say, well, it's talking about mental health. Why are we talking about? That's okay. Well, search about, health, search about losing weight blogs, right? Search for losing weight blogs, and then you could come through here and you could find something. I'm sure you could find something. Click on this. See if you could find one of them that allows you, like, all right, there we go. Look at that. People already post, and unfortunately have seen blah, blah, blah. I work for this, I work for that. So people are having conversations under here. Look at this person right here. Conversation, conversation, conversation. Please do not tease the writer. So if I haven't seen it in person, then I don't know. People are just doing that. People, people just go back and forth with people on here, and it's totally cool. See, from the original email, right here. Is this even illegal? If I come through, I'm sure I'll find some affiliate posting stuff, and this is all about COVID, but it also talks about, see, somebody's putting it, FDA approved, all that. So these are some of the arguments that people strike on this, right? Look at this. Man, where do they find the time to do that? I don't know. So why are clinically trials so complicated? Well, you don't want to do that for sure. It's not about health, but you get the idea. You'll have to do a little bit of digging, like best weight loss for 2012, 12 top 100 weight loss for bloggers. So search, dig, find. This is the only time it will take up some time to really come through here, and you can search. So all you have to do is just find a way and find blogs that you can leave comments. See, so many different blogs people are writing here. Find blogs where you can leave comments. So once you can leave comments, then you can add your affiliate link if it's related to the fat flusher diet. So that's how you have to set it up. Once you set it up, you'll get that Google alerts. That's how you're going to be able to make money. That's how you can just copy and paste. So you can copy some of this at the end of what you're going to type due to what you've read, and people will just get on it and you can start earning one sale a day. That's all you need. So I hope you do enjoy this video. It was copy and paste ads for beginners and earn $100 per day on ClickBank. If you want to learn more about what I do and how I make money, so I've been doing this for 3 years now, full time, working from home, taking care of my family and everything. I'm just going to introduce you to my mentor. So check out the link in the first link in the description. I'll send that over. If it's something that is a good fit for you, then great. And if not, I wish you nothing but the best, and I'll catch you on the next video.